Have you ever had one of your online social media or mail accounts compromised? If so, that might be from you having an unsafe password. So, now let's link into our lesson plan today. We'll be going over what is a safe password according to support.microsoft.com, and what you can do to keep your password safe. Okay. Secondly, we have how to make a safe password and why it's kind of important to have a unique and safe password. And finally, the benefits to society that safe passwords have. So let us roll into our way of why it's important to have a safe password. So according to support.microsoft.com, a safe password can prevent you from getting your accounts compromised, losing money from like scams, and just things that might go wrong. So something they say about what a safe password contains is it has at least 12 to 14 characters, and it includes uppercase, lowercase letters, at least one symbol, and that's all. Yeah. So next, um, yeah, it contains all that, and how you can make a safe password. As Support Microsoft said, to have some randomization in there, and something that's easy to remember. Of course, some bonus advice they gave was to have at least a different password for each one of your accounts, and to not use any personal information in those passwords. For example, you don't want to use your dog's name or any of your pet's name. Something personal like an anniversary or birthday that someone could use psychological tactics to take out of or to get out of you, and things to that sort. So today we have two dice, and a cup full of letters, character or uppercase and lowercase and symbols. So firstly, the way to randomize it is roll the dice, two dice preferably, 3 times, and pull at least six squares out of your cup, and this will make 12 characters. These 12 characters will fill in the needed requirements for a safe password according to support.microsoft.com. And according to walden.edu, I think, yeah, it's important to have a safe password. So, how a safe password benefits society? A safe password benefits society by keeping your account safe and keeping your right to privacy. Keeping your right to privacy. Since if we did not have passwords, we wouldn't be able to secure our personal information, and there would be a lot more hacking and governmental disputes for the reason, or yeah. And some bonus advice, according to accounts.google.com, they say to also have a two-factor authentication. And two-factor authentication is kind of a middleman or third party protection. This is maybe an email or phone number or maybe an authenticator app. Google has a good authenticator app where it gives you a 6-digit code, and let's say you're signing into your Instagram account. It might require, if you have two-factor authentication, you'll have your 6-digit code, and you can sign in a lot faster with it. And by having a phone number and email, if you forget your password or if you forget your email, you could go to your email and try to email support Microsoft or Instagram.com for resetting your password. Now, let us shake into what we went over today. So we have how it's important to have a safe password and what is a safe password, how to make a safe password, and how a safe password benefits society. And thank you.